As you guys noticed for my last two videos on this channel, that I'm wearing faux lashes all the time. You guys, since I discovered this, I'm so happy. I'm really excited. I can wear this all the time, quick and easy. So again, if you think this video helpful for you, give me a big thumbs up, and again, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, for my experience, like I tried different kind of eyelashes. I tried the magnetic eyelashes, I tried glue eyelashes. You guys, it's really hard for me. It's really hard to use the glue eyelashes. It takes me forever, and also I reapply it sometimes 3 times, 4 times, and even I reapply it 4 times. It doesn't look good on. It doesn't look good into my eyelashes. So yeah, when I discovered this product that we're gonna try it on today's video, I'm so excited to share with you. Maybe you guys want to try this, go ahead. So I bought it in Walmart. They're around like $10, and this is the Keys Black Lash Glue and Eyeliner in one, and it says matte finish, foolproof, and easy to touch up. This is like I've been using it like for my last 2 videos. I'm in love how I put it on my lashes, quick and easy. So this is what's look like, guys, the box of Kiss Black Glue Eyelashes in one. Again, I bought it in Walmart. They're around like $10, and they have 2 types, the black one and the clear one, because it's remind me just a liquid eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner. Just like draw it and make a wing liner into your eyelashes. So I picked the black one, and again, this is my new favorite when it comes to makeup. You guys know me, I love liquid eyeliner, and I found another new favorite when it comes to makeup, this Kiss Black Glue Eyeliner in one. This is amazing. You guys probably gonna see me more wearing faux lashes all the time when I'm doing a sit down video or whatever kind of videos. So I'm really excited, and yeah, let's try and put it onto our eyelashes. Okay, this is what's look like the lash glue eyeliner. Really nice eyeliner. And also this is what's look like the tip or applicator, whatever you call that. Super, I like how they do the applicator, super nice thin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply it to my eyelashes, like super. It's just basically like when you're applying the black liquid eyeliner, something like that. So I'm just gonna apply it super thin, maybe just the thin layer. It's hard when there you go, that's good enough. I like how it dry quick, and also I'm gonna use the tweezer to put on my faux lashes. Alright guys, this is the faux lashes that I'm gonna use. Alright guys, here we go. Put it on. Whoa, that's so easy. See how it's easy to put it on, and then like stick to the eyelashes glue right away. Oh, I love how it's easy to put it onto my eyelashes. That's why this is my new favorite when it comes to makeup. I definitely wear it all the time faux lashes, because you know it's super cute if you have faux lashes on. I think it's very cute into my eyes, so it's super easy. I'm just gonna like fix it to make sure like they're all sticking together, like kind of like that. Ooh, I love how it. And then what I do, I'm just gonna squeeze it like that. And there you go. I have a super nice faux lashes, quick and easy. Alright, let's do the other side of my eyes. Alright, now we're gonna put on the faux lashes. Oh, that's so easy. It like stuck, like quick and easy. There you go. So there you go, guys. My faux lashes, super quick and easy to apply. You don't have to like reapply it again, since you put the glue eyeliner into your eyelid, put on your faux lashes, and super easy. And this is what's look like. So right now I'm just gonna add a little mascara on my eyelashes, and we're done. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you're a big fan of faux lashes, highly recommend this Kiss glue eyeliner. It's super nice, very easy. It doesn't take forever to put it on to your eyelashes, and after you put it onto your eyelashes, it looks so perfect and nice, not messy at all. So definitely you're gonna see me, guys, all the time wearing faux lashes all the time, because this is super easy and quick to put it on, not like the magnetic eyelashes or glue eyelashes. Take me forever to do that, and even though I retake it like 4 times, it's still not perfect onto my eyelashes because it's kind of like messy. I don't know how to put it on. I'm always struggling to put it on to my eyelashes, the glue one. So finally I discovered this. It's so amazing beauty product, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, highly recommend it. You should try it, and it's amazing. Kiss black eyeliner, glue eyeliner, all in one. So if you think this video helpful for you, give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet already, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. That's it for today's video, everyone, and yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.